So just to sort of summarize or establish what we've talked about so far, we said that wind is basically air that is on the move. And why is it on the move? Because it's coming from a high pressure to a low pressure. And we're going to talk later about different small wind and medium-sized winds, and basically there are some winds that basically go around the world, okay, so global winds. And to summarize, an important part of all of this is the greater the difference between the high and the low pressure, then the stronger that force and the faster the wind. So now we need to go on and talk about the fact that wind doesn't necessarily go straight from a high to a low. It can actually kind of be moved. And so the two main factors that basically redirect wind, one is the fact that the Earth is spinning on its axis. And I'm going to introduce something called the Coriolis force, or Coriolis effect. And it's actually more of an apparent, or kind of looks like it's redirecting the wind than it really is. So the Coriolis force or effect. And then the other way that wind the other reason that wind won't go directly from a high to a low has to do with the force of friction. And if you think you know what friction is, you do. Basically, friction is kind of the rubbing of an object that wants to move with the ground or the layer beneath it. So frictional forces will also change the direction that wind is blowing.